What's up, guys? I have a trade recap today. Took a trade. I did not take a trade yesterday. That's why I didn't post. Right, I don't post on the days that I don't trade. But yeah, we took it on the XFA. I'll show you guys what the trade looked like. It was a really good trade. It could have been better, but it was. In the end of the day, it was fine. Like it was great. Basically, well, coming into the day, I kind of wanted to see us trade down to the previous day's low, and we had this unfilled daily fair value gap on NQ right here. I wanted to see this get filled and whatsoever, but I went to ES and what did I see? I saw exact equal highs and this is Asia and London highs. So we have equal highs with London and Asia. That's a beautiful draw on liquidity. So I was like, okay, if price wants to reverse back to the upside, give an entry to the upside, I'm more than happy to do that. I ended up taking it on NQ just based off of overall structure, but I had a good draw on liquidity, right? I waited for price to physically start displacing towards my draw on liquidity. I wasn't interested in looking for it down here, right? Because that's not how I trade. I trade a continuation. So I'm literally waiting for that continuation when it's dead obvious. We continue higher. We physically displace. We're getting actually drawing towards my draw on liquidity, which is London highs and Asia highs. Um, and then we then retraced into this 5 minute gap right here. We barely filled it, but we did fill it. And that's honestly the only critique I have about this trade is that we had a bigger 5 minute right here, which made me skeptical because I thought that this would have wanted to get filled as well. And it ended up getting filled later, but like I thought it would want to retrace a little heavier. But in the end of the day, we retraced to the 5 minute gap, and then I scaled out to the 1 minute time frame. What do I see? Boom. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. So this is the 1 minute fair value gap that got inversed. Although that's weird because MNQ actually had a much bigger fair value gap. Where was it? It was. Huh. I'm kind of confused, but wait a minute. Bro, am I tweaking? Oh, right here. Oh, that's weird. Okay. And then Q actually had a much bigger fair value gap that got inverse right here. Right. This is a lot more significant, but I was looking at MNQ at the time, not NQ. Um, so yeah, I didn't even realize that actual NQ barely had a fair value gap, but it did. I entered off of that, except since I was switching classes and I had my computer in my hands walking to my next class. And I saw it and I'm like, oh shit. I got a really late entry, but it ended up doing me really well. Because I got in, like, I was like, oh shit, okay, it's rebalancing to this bullish 1 minute. I literally got like a really good entry. I got in right there. Or sorry, I got in like right here. Okay. So that was my entry. And as you can see, I put my stops underneath these lows right here since I had a good enough risk reward anyway, right? This is more than enough. So I was like, okay, I don't need to really have it that tight. I'll give it some breathing room today. Put it underneath the lows, which ended up doing me right. We got really, really close to stop loss, but then reversed. I went break even right at this high, which is what I had the plan for. And then, yes, ended up taking out my draw on liquidity. What did that do? It put in this bearish SMT, and I literally top ticked it. I think I got out right around like here. No, a little lower. I think I got it like right there. So put SMT up, put it at the highs at my draw on liquidity. Trade, I took it out, and it ended up really complete reverse. So that was really nice. 2.64 R on the funded. I'll show you guys. So originally I was planning to risk around $300 on this trade. What ended up happening is, of course, I wanted to enter up here, but like I mentioned, if I entered up here, I would have been risking around 300 with the stop here. Would have gone stopped out. Entered in down here, ended up only risking $170 to make around $350. It should have been, if I had the right risk and everything, I would have entered here, risking $300, would have made like $700. But it's not about the money, right? It's just not what it's about in the end of the day. So this is the whole trade setup here. You can see $350 on the Express account. I wonder if I can show executions, show chart executions here. So 4 micros went long, right where I said I did. Yep, got him like right here. Stops here, take profit. I completely top ticked it, so that was nice. Very very good trade today. Very very good continuation model. Right, continuation model presented itself today. Very very. I was very patient today. This was about 10:40. 8 when I took the trade. So I was very patient waiting for my setup. I'm not gonna lie, there were many times today where I got a lot of FOMO, right? Because like I saw this, for example. Um, where is it? So I saw displacement towards the high, blah 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 blah. We ended up retracing better than SMT at these lows, and then there was like, okay, there's a 5 minute IFEG here that I was like, shit, like I kind of want to take it, but it wasn't my model because again there was no actual 5 minute gap retrace to and no 1 minute inverse. It's not my model. I'm allowed. I can take like if we retrace like a 15 minute gap and then get a 5 minute inverse, I can take that, but it wasn't like that. We retraced the gap anyways, so I was getting FOMO here. I was getting FOMO almost all day, bro. I can't even lie. Um, where was it? Yeah, it was here. So I actually, I got a lot of FOMO here as well. I don't know why, but I saw this inversion after filling the 5 minute right here, and I was like looking at it. I was like tempted to take it. This would have just been break even, but I mean, like I'm very glad I didn't take this, right? Because first of all, from this point on, we're very far away from our draw on liquidity. We're not physically displacing there yet. I need a continuation, not a, you know, I'm not trying to catch something like that. God damn, bro. These allergies are killing my eyes, bro. Um, so yeah, that this is the whole trade. Up around 350 on the day. Should be a lot more, but again, that's not what we care about. Um, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Been on like a 6-0 win streak. I think it's around 6-0 right now. I'm doing really well. So yeah, I mean, I've really gotten a lot closer to God, which is the weird thing. Like literally, like it. I know it sounds like it's a little bit cliche or whatever. It just doesn't sound logical, but like the closer I get to God, the better my trading is, and it's not like the market. It's just more like I don't know. I'm making better decisions, more disciplined. Like I'm asking God for better decision making, like all these good things. Like it's just bettering my trading overall, and I feel like I'm just blessed. Um, I really do feel blessed. So yeah, glory to God, man. That's true. Like really. Um, but yeah, I mean, I appreciate you guys. If you guys are struggling, man, seek God. I think I don't know. A lot of people just don't think about it. But really, like if you are struggling in life, it doesn't really matter what you do. Just seek God and you'll be healed, man. I promise. Like genuinely seek God, not like fake. Be genuine. Like genuinely want God's love, and it'll pay off, man. Like I don't know. It's very cliche, but it's just very true. So yeah, I gotta go to the gym now. So I will see you guys in the next video. By the way, please check out my day in life that I posted. It's kind of flopping, but it's all right. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.